Good afternoon and welcome to Market Fatafat, the second edition for the day. I'm Karunya Rao and with me are Somya Sharma as well as Siddharth Bhamre to talk about from the research desk. And on the technical side, I have Rajesh Palvi from Axis Securities, Sumit Bagadi of Choice Broking as well coming on board to help us analyze some stocks. Let's keep it real quick then to get you a whole host of stocks to watch out for. First up, Sun Pharma. That one is buzzing away in trade. It's the top Nifty 50 gainer on the index. Domestic formulations operations will be transferred to the arm. Now that's a big trigger that's fueling the stock rally. They'll be transferring the domestic operations from Aditya Medi Sales to arm by the first quarter of FY20. That's an important update that's keeping the stock afloat. Meantime, Yes Bank, another stock which is very high on volumes today. Rajesh, what are you observing?
Yes, since last 3-4 days the stock is witnessing selling pressure from the higher level. Now stock is trading near to its important moving average of 50 DMA. So if stocks breaks below 188 level, then we may see further more downside towards 180 to 176 zone. So looking at the chart pattern, 188 is the important level as of now. If it's break 188, one can go short or target of 176 on the lower side.
Okay, stock number 3, Prabhat Dairy, another stock that's witnessing a lot of selling today. Soumya, what's the trigger?
Well, Karunya, the stock has been focused since morning. It was buzzing because French dairy group Lactalis was acquiring its milk processing business for an approximate value of 1700 crores. But now if you see, the stock has pared gain. It erased in fact all the gains and is under pressure on the back of some corporate governance issues.
Okay, there you have it, down by nearly 4.5%. Another stock that's ailing and almost down about 5% is Jindal Steel and Power. Let's take it across to Sumit to understand what are some kind of moves that one can expect.
Hi, good afternoon. Well, this stock is looking weak. It has given a breakdown on charts, and looking at the weekly charts and daily charts, we feel that the stock can move down from present levels. It's quoting at around 137.50 levels, spot levels. One can initiate sell positions at the current market price. With the stop loss to be placed at 141 levels on high side, and on downside one can expect targets of around 130 and then 128 levels in next couple of days.
That's right. Meantime, Siddharth, Page Industries, lot of action being witnessed on this counter.
Well, yes, and we have been talking about this name since morning. In fact, if you look at futures open interest, it's almost a rise of 50%. Mind you, despite being a high denomination stock, this stock is quite liquid in future segment, and this kind of built up suggests that there is something which is happening in the counter. We have also seen a bulk deal in cash market segment, which is keeping the stock above. Stock has corrected substantially from 37,000 to almost 20,000, and now it's bouncing back. So keep close eye on it. Needless to mention that these might be long positions at lower levels.
Okay, point taken. Meantime, stock number 6 is Ashok Leyland. Rajesh, what is your call on the counter?
Yeah, stock has shown weakness in the recent past, and stock is now trading below to all its important moving averages, and stock has given the breakdown of all its support area on all the time frame, and it's forming the series of lower top lower bottom formation on weekly and daily charts. So looking at the pattern, stock is likely to move towards 82 to 78 zone in the near term. So one can remain short, keep stop loss of 92. I'm expecting that lower side target of 82 to 78 in the coming trading sessions.
Okay, next up, ONGC. Soumya, what's the update here?
Well, the company is opening its share buyback on Jan 29th and would close it on February 11. Well, the board had on December 20th approved the buyback of 25 crore shares for 159 per piece as a part of the government's plan to get cash-rich PSUs to part with their surpluses. Now, well, the total...
That's ONGC for you, down by about 0.2%. Let's put Market Fatafat on hold for a bit and focus on a big ET Now exclusive. Okay, let's move on to Alembic Pharma. They've just delivered their Q3 numbers. The stock is looking very resilient. We've seen a very strong up move come by. Profits have surged close to 30%, coming in at 170 crore rupees. Revenue is up 21% at 1,018 crores. US formulation sales is up a healthy 42% year on year at at 308 crore rupees. So clearly, strong performance, majorly led to a great extent by the US markets, the US formulations business. Look at that counter. It's up nearly 2.5%. We've seen a sudden up move, a sudden spike up right after the company delivered their Q3 numbers, and that's something that has been sustained for some time now. Alembic Pharma clearly in focus then. Okay, moving on then. We have a big ET Now exclusive for you. Reforms have been broadly moving in the right direction, irrespective of the change in governments. That's the statement given by Raghuram Rajan in an exclusive chat with ET Now's Supriya Srinath. The former governor of RBI minces more words. He says there's been a lack of governments with strong mandates in the recent past as India heads into the 2019 finale. He underlines jobs, intolerance and autonomy as the three key challenges on the economic front. Let's listen in to the man himself.
Well, this